All right, let's do number one. It says determine the number of points in 82 mags. So here are conversion factors that will help us to get from one point to the other. So there's one conversion factor here that takes us straight from mags to points, and it's right here. For every 1 point, there's 6 mags. So we're going to start with 82 mags. That's what's given to us. And then we're going to create a fraction. We're going to multiply a fraction, which ultimately is 1, because 1 point equals 6 mags. So we're not changing the number. We're just converting it to points. I'm going to put 6 mags on the bottom and then 1 point on the top. I do this so that I can cross-cancel my units, so what's left, you'll see points are left. And so we'll have 82 over 6, right? Our units will be points. And we'll actually have to type this into our calculator. 82 divided by 6. And so 82 divided by 6 is 13.6 repeating, so 13.67 points. But what we have to remember is significant figures. So I start with 2, so what's given to me here is 82, which has 2 significant figures. Remember, our answer must have the lowest number of sig figs. So we're going to count 2 sig figs. So the 2 significant digits I'm going to keep is this 1 and this 3. However, after this 3 is a 6, which means I have to round up. So this would equal 14 points. Okay? So do your dimensional analysis and then remember to check and round to significant figures. All right, number 2. So for number 2, we want to go from 1 lardo to smacks. So if I look, like here's a lardo, right? I don't think I see any other lardos here. So here is 1 lardo to 12 tolls. All right, but I got to get the smacks. So let's see if I can see a toll. So here we go. We have a tolls to smacks. So it's going to be a 2-step. I'm going to first have to convert to tolls and then tolls to smacks, because there's not like a direct conversion factor that gets me straight from lardos to smacks. So this will be a 2-step. So I'll start with 1 lardo, and then I'm going to convert. I'm going to use, so this will be my first conversion factor. This will be my second. So 1 lardo. I know that 1 lardo equals 12 tolls. I decided to put lardo on the bottom so I can cross cancel. Now, if I stop here, my units are in tolls, right? That's the only thing that's remaining. But I don't want that. I want smacks. So my suggestion, just keep on going. So I'm going to just create another conversion factor. This time I'm going to put tolls on the bottom. 4 tolls is equal to 3 smacks. So now I can cross-cancel these tolls. Now what do I have left over? I have smacks. That's what I want. So when I solve this, it'll be 1 times 12 times 3, right, which is 36 all over 4, which equals 9, right? So this equals 9. What are my units? Smacks. That's what's left over. And then let's check sig figs. Here I have 1 sig fig. My answer has 1 sig fig. So I'm good to go. There's nothing to round, nothing to do there. Okay? I hope this helps. Alrighty.